Welcome everyone to another episode of Patching for Noise. In this video I decided to do some changes. Yeah, it seems like I'm always resorting back to my little Science Fair 160 in one box that I gutted out many years ago. I'm always changing things around, getting new cases, getting a tier, and for some reason I seem like I want to go back to my original box that I've been using for a couple years. And I'm not crazy about this. It does look kind of vintage, it does look kind of cool. But I decided to use the extra 2-tier stand that I had. And I'm going to put the 32 and the subharmonica on the stand, put the D-fan, my Old Coast, black box, blah, 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 back in my original box. And it's almost like I'm going to have 2 modular systems. So let's go ahead and do that, guys. Let's see how all this turns out. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Whew, this is going to be a tough one. So this is nice. So this is the one you got there, huh, Chad?
Yeah.
Wow. Now, what is this one called? This is like a whole package?
This, well, kind of, they sell it as a kit, but it's kind of pieced together from 2 different kits. It's an Erica Synth Techno System.
I can tell by the way it sounds like. Oh, I want to get one of these.
There you go.
Chad's like, get off my stuff, boy. Wow, man, if I had one of these. Oh, this is the so this has delay, chorus, all those different effects.
Yep.
Wow. This is the the crush. Listen to that, guys, man. While he's doing his thing, I'm gonna fool around with his system if he doesn't mind there.
Mess with anything you want there.
Wow, I like this. Oh, this is the filter. Beautiful.
Have that going through the graphic.
Wow, beautiful.
And then you can shape the waves.
Yeah, I seen that online too.
You go to A waveforms.
Okay.
These are, and you can load it or you can edit it. So if you go to edit it, you can actually adjust it.
Yeah.
So then I have my bass drums in there.
Oh, yeah. I can see what the guy made a techno system. Yeah, I definitely can understand that now. Mm-hmm. Oh, and you can modulate all the parameters.
You can modulate all of that.
Wow. Look at this, guys. Will this be my next setup? Oh my goodness. I don't know. That bass is just insane. And that's a DSP?
Yep. Just an effects module.
Wow. It's like a bit crusher almost type of thing. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Monocon in the 2-tier came out successfully. Very, very nice. Very nice. I really like that. Now we have to get the D-Fam, the Old Coast. We have to get this, the little black box over there, and all the little other miscellaneous stuff back in my original box, so I can once again get back to my original setup. Now, how are we gonna do that? That's not impossible. We'll figure it out. We always do. Okay, here it is. I got my D-Fam installed into my box finally. My Old Coast and my little modular setup and my black box.